I just got myself the Shark HV322 handheld vacuum. We are gonna put it together and put this baby to the test. So you gotta actually put it together. It comes in a bunch of different pieces. You've got your easy release pet tool where you can push down on this and this part comes off. So if you want to do your sofa or bedding or anything like that, this will help take the pet hairs off of it. You've got your crevice tool that will get in deep. This would be really good for like cleaning cars or anything like that that would require a smaller surface. Here is the head of the machine. So it's got a swivel base on here. Here is the dust cup portion, along with the actual motor and cord right here. And then you've got your dust cup release right here. You just pinch in on that and we pull out our dust cup. And then our last piece that springs them both together is our stick. On the top of the box, it actually tells you how to get started, so what all is included and how to put it all together. So if we go through that, we get out our base unit here. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but we add our base unit in. It looks like the back of it has our cord on the back, our cord holder. So we are going to snap this in. And then we are going to snap in our top head unit. This is actually a little hefty as far as the weight of it. So you're not going to be able to store it upright like this. Since this does fall over on its own, it actually has a storage hook underneath. You just press this button, and on the back of here, there's a little hook. You come right down here, and it sits in there for storage, so that way it doesn't fall over. So we're going to plug this in and test it out. So that's right there. It does have the LED lights in the front. And then right here, you also have your filter that you can clean out. This just comes off. And this is a washable filter. So you can take this, wash it, just make sure you let it dry before you put it back in here. And then we put it back on there. And we've got our filter. If you want it to go and do different things, you just take this off. And you can add on your attachments from there. It doesn't have a clip or anything, so it is just tightly fit on there. But then you can go through and get your little crevices, or you can get your couches or whatever else. This does have a few pounds weight to it, so if you are going up high, you're gonna start feeling that fatigue fairly quickly, I would think, but everybody's a little different. Overall, I'm pretty excited about this machine.